Alright, we are using Australian Outback 223 Sierra Blitzgreens. We're doing the F.W.C, which is flower wire cantaloupe expansion test. We're going to get the bullet to expand, hitting the flower, hitting the water jug, hitting the cantaloupe, and then catching in the jeans and seeing what we got left. So, here you go. Stick around. Going in, we've got expansion through the flower. To be honest, I think we got the bullet in the jug. We didn't get a full flower water cantaloupe going on. Yeah, we got most of the bullet right here. So, flower water cantaloupe, we just had flour and water. But we'll see what we got left in the jug. That's interesting because we did that deep penetration, and like I said, well, the bullet, the wood pinches the bullet off and keeps it together from expanding, so it keeps going through. But here we go. After expansion, these bullets stop. So that's interesting. We'll get this cleaned up and take a look at it. All right, here you go. Got the unsuccessful flower water cantaloupe test. We just got a flour and water of the Australian Outback 223 and 55 grain Blitzgreen bullets. I guess if you want to see what it flattened out to, pancaked. Just under 6. It's upside down, but you can take my word for it. Just under 6. Let's see what we got left out of 55 grains of bullet. Get it all up here. It's blowing. It's going to be screwing the scale a little bit. At 55, well, you got it's flopping around 37 grains left out of 55 is what we recovered, so that's not too bad. Interesting. On the Blitzgreen bullet, there you go. Ooh. But yep, there we are. So there you go. Thanks for watching.